Hey, this is setting the clock on a Mercedes CLK. So you get in, turn the key till everything lights up. You move through the menu with this button, forward and backwards. Okay, so go to settings, get inside that menu with this button. Okay, you move around here with plus and minus, so it's time and date. That's what we want to change. You get inside that menu with this button. Good. And you change it with plus and minus. This is the hour. And it says confirm by pressing R. This is R here. And that's it. And you get out. And that's it. Okay, bye.